Um, Hi guys, it's it's Liz Mitchell. So um, I was thinking of doing a food type haul video or grocery type haul video since I just got a bunch last night and actually no, not last night but yesterday morning, and I don't know why, but I feel like some people for some reason like that stuff. So yeah, and if anyone else has any ideas for different, I guess, food recipes to try with this kind of foods, maybe you could tell me in the comments, and anyone else who sees these comments can also try it too if they have these things on hand. So yeah. Oh, and look at the air purifier I just got today. So anyway, here it is. I got some actually I had this for I don't know how long, but I just got these 2 big boxes of spaghetti noodles. And yes, I had these pretzels for a long time too. Or, well, at least a few. But I got these foot pasta donuts, which I haven't had in years maybe, as well as these double chocolate donuts. So and I figured these as maybe just like a little sweet treat, or like a mini breakfast type thing to go along with the iced coffee that I got. I've had these for at least a month maybe, and I've had all this for a while too, but I actually just got this Hershey's milk chocolate and these 2 things of lemonade, as well as a bag of romaine lettuce and a bag of iceberg lettuce right there, as well as these 2 jars of applesauce. And I got some of these brownies. Does anyone remember these? As well as I got these chocolate sticks. Nutty Buddies, because I love those too. And I haven't had those since I was a kid either. Well. And 2 bags of M&Ms. I think they're both minis. Or at least this bigger bag is a mini bag. Or a bag of mini M&Ms. And this is just some chicken with some of this spaghetti sauce and cheese on top of it. Now I got a lot of instant iced coffee. This is the kind of instant iced coffee that I like. As well as I got a couple of these kind of instant iced coffees too. As well as some ranch. Parmesan cheese and the regular ranch. I've had this sweet corn for a while, but I've had these pizzas for a while too, but everything else in here except for the pizzas I just got and this big black bag of chicken I've had for a while. Everything else I just got yesterday. These are just spicy chicken bites and boxes of either sweet and sour chicken or orange chicken, as well as these are just frozen hamburger, and if you cannot see here, I got a big tub of mint chocolate chip ice cream because I love mint ice cream. I also got another tub of mint ice cream and a tub of just chocolate ice cream as well. And this just fell on the floor. So, yeah. And I had the plan or the idea of when I scoop ice cream to put some of these M&Ms in with the ice cream. So, yeah. Or just a bag of chocolate chips in with the chocolate ice cream. And then these could be a snack or something. I've had these for a while. Never really got to try them. So I don't know if they're good or not, because I've never had energy drinks. I also got some more spaghetti sauce right here. And another box. And this box of instant rice is actually, I just got because I totally forgot about this one. And I totally forgot about these bags of spaghetti too. So I got more spaghetti. And I've had these bags of or boxes of popcorn for a while too, as well as an empty box of instant mashed potatoes apparently. So okay. A box of mint tea. And I also got these 2 big boxes of goldfish. And actually, last month I think it was, I actually got this new Keurig machine, as well as this mat to go with it, and this little coffee stand thing. So, yeah. I also got these 2 boxes of cereal. The honey checks I think I've had before as a kid, but I know I've definitely had these as a kid and I like them as well as the Fruity Pebbles. So yeah. Yeah, usually when I get food, I get a lot of food to hopefully last me at least 2 months, maybe more. So all of this and this, as well as all of this, hopefully it should last me about 2 months, maybe. So yeah. like what kind of food do you people like? And yeah. And I do like spicy stuff too, or like especially hot and spicy type stuff. Oh yeah, and I got some of the like chicken fillet patty thing, like just chicken breasts that are wetted and flattened down into the shape of a, just like, you know how you would do it, like how you would flatten a hamburger, so that way I could flatten it into a bun, or so that way I could put it into a bun and have like a chicken sandwich. And I might put some spicy stuff on it. So yeah. What do you people do for food? Oh, I also like mac and cheese too. like anything that's just pretty much quick and easy. So especially for days where you don't really feel like making anything, you can just easily pop something like those frozen chicken nuggets into an air fryer like this, or more so, turn the air fryer on, wait for it to heat up, and then pop those frozen chicken nuggets in. Yeah, so what? Yeah. So yeah. Do what do you guys like to do? And yeah. Oh, and I actually just found out, like, I can't remember when I found this out, but so depending on what sauce you put, especially if you put the red marinara sauce on spaghetti, if you melt down some butter and then put a little bit of garlic salt in the butter and then melt that together, or more so not garlic salt but garlic powder, if you melt and mix those two together and create some garlic salt, or if you make some garlic butter by combining the two, and then you put the garlic butter on the noodles right after you boil them, that is really good. Ooh, especially if you put the garlic butter on the noodles, mix the garlic butter in the noodles, and then you add the marinara sauce. Ooh, that is really, really good. So, yeah. I also like that kind of spaghetti noodle too. So, yeah. What do you people do for food? And, do you have any good ideas for new things to try and stuff like that?